Hey everyone, the guitar's done. Let's take a look at it. If you were hoping that I was just gonna show you finished shots of the guitar, that's not what this video is about. But if you can't wait to watch the whole video and you just want to see the completed guitar, you can jump ahead to the 12-minute 30-second timestamp and you'll see some finished shots. Or even better, you could go to my Instagram at Tom Grant Guitars and you'll see some much better footage and some much better pictures. But for the rest of you, enjoy the rest of this video. This is the final assembly video, so you'll see how all the hardware is installed. If you're interested in purchasing this guitar, there'll be information out soon. I would encourage you to look at the Great Guitar Build-Off website, greatguitarbuildoff.com. But I was also encourage you to watch this entire video. There are some things that went wrong with this guitar, and I spend the last couple minutes of this video kind of walking through what I did to remediate those. So I just want whoever ends up with this guitar to understand it's not perfect. There are some flaws. It was really just a fun project that I did. So with that said, check it out and enjoy the rest of the video.
strike count here for Bryson Stott. Phillies have taken the lead with 3 in the ninth.
Like I said at the beginning of this video, there are some issues with this guitar, mainly a large imperfection in the finish. So the next couple minutes are videos that you may have already seen on my Instagram, but it's just the process that I went through to fix the issues with this guitar. So enjoy. So here's an interesting issue. What do you do when you're building a guitar for a competition that's going to be raffled off and you damage it in the process of assembling it? So this is the Great Guitar Build-Off guitar, and as you can see, there's a nice square dent in the top of this guitar. I can't send it to a customer like this. This is not acceptable. So what do? Do I start over, throw it out? Well, I hope not. What I'm going to try to do right now is add a little bit of moisture and a little bit of heat and hope that I can get those wood fibers to swell back up and level off, and then all I have left is a finish repair. So I have a damp paper towel here, and I'm just introducing some moisture and then some heat, which is going to cause steam. And hopefully that steam and that moisture will work themselves into the wood fibers and help them expand so that this levels off and can be repaired. Stay tuned, I'll let you know how it goes. Steaming this area worked surprisingly well. You may not be able to see it from the camera. You can see there's still a little bit of finish that chipped off, but the wood itself has actually flattened out. It's no longer dented. The wood fibers expanded back up. So I'm gonna let this dry out because there's still some residual moisture in there. And then I just have a finish repair, which should be, well, I don't want to say it'll be simple. This is an oil finish, so it's certainly repairable. So what I've done here is basically affected a drop fill on the damaged area. And this is probably gonna take 2 or 3 days to dry. Then I can sand it back, level it, do a couple top coats, and we'll have a nice smooth finish like the rest of the guitar. Is it perfect? No. It'll always be a little bit discolored. Is it better? Absolutely.